Oh no, I messed it up. Did I use the wrong? Yep, guys, I did. I screwed up. But it's okay. You know what? I'm just going to do the show here. Welcome to the Daily Hodl Show. I forgot to use the Daily Hodl Show. What's it called? Profile. Yeah, I'm a little sleepy. Oh, well. I'm just going to have the Daily Hodl Show anyways. So, guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Wherever you now are. Thank you for watching this Daily Hodl Show where we're missing a lot of things, man. We're missing a lot, right? Looking forward to, guys, the orc burning party that's going to be occurring on the Daily Hodl Show on Friday. So make sure you stick around for that. We're going to burn some orc. But today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, of course, and what's going on with that. I think no matter what, if Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down, you need to get some Satoshis. You need to buy even a little bit of Satoshis. Start buying some Bitcoin right now because you don't want to be, you know what, billionaires are coming in here to buy this asset. And they're not going to tell you, they're not going to tell you to buy now. They're going to tell you to buy later, right? And they're going to advertise to the majority of people a lot better than I can. Right? A lot better and with a lot more force. And they'll convince those people to buy at the very, very, very top. Now, we're nowhere near that yet because they haven't gotten a good position yet. So in the short term, there's a lot of volatility because there's a long game coming here, very long game. So you want to be able to actually buy Bitcoin right now for pennies right now. Some Satoshis for pennies. Because once it gets to 10 cents, I'll be like, you should have been buying land right now. Right now. Don't waste any time. Get some Satoshis. Hold on to it. Right? Build your stack. Then maybe move it to the Bitcoin stack. It's a Bitcoin network, right? We'll provide directions on how to do that. Just send us an email. All right. Let's get on to the bulls and bears situation that's going on. All right. Let's see here. The U.S. government just moved 667 Bitcoin. That's 75 million to new address. The receiving address has not yet transferred or sold. Meanwhile, insider whale from Friday, flash crash, increased his short by 500 million. This all comes ahead of Powell's speech at 4:20 p.m. Ooh, dum. Another flash crash coming? Maybe. I don't know. We could have another flash crash coming. Right? I'm gonna move this over to here. Just because, to be different today, right? Just today, we're going to be a little different. I'm going to shrink it down too. Boom. So, can we see a flash crash coming? Oof. Yeah, well, it's a possibility. Peter Schiff's, he thinks the flash is always coming. Based on where NASDAQ futures trading are trading, if the index falls another 7.5%, it will be in the correction territory, down over 10%. Correction territory. Ooh. If NASDAQ falls 7.5%, Bitcoin would likely fall at least 15%, putting it below 95K from where it is. And it will tank to the next support level at 75K. Boom. Yes, Peter. Yeah. Let's say it does do that. Guess what? It'll be back. It'll be back heavy. It'll be back so hard, right? That, people would be like, what? Peter, why you keep saying it's going down when it only goes down and then comes back up. Oh, this is speaking about, this sounds bullish, but this is extremely bearish, guys, as you know. Bitcoin will reach between 300,000 and 500,000 this cycle, predicts Donald Trump's son, Barron Trump. He knows something. Yeah, he knows he went to short. Oh, damn. That's what he knows. Right? So yeah, that's not that guys. That's not bullish at all. That's not bullish at all. So much for the 300,000 to 500,000 for this cycle. That's off the table, and possibly even, the price, any kind of continued uptrend, thanks to this announcement. Oh, boy. Short-term holders cost basis. Okay. The biggest liquidation event become a reversal to the short-term cost basis. Ooh. Jesus. So the short-term holders cost basis in Bitcoin is this green bias here. Basis is a lot lower, but you know what, the price is lower. So yeah, god damn it. I don't know. It says the price is 115, but that's old data. So let's see. This is a little bit bearish, right? And the short-term holders, they love to get rid of their stuff real fast. So yeah, okay, another bearish situation, but it is what it is. Thanks to Crypto River, he's given some bearish news, right? Look at that, right? Whenever we've seen some downward drafts, right? Every major liquidation event, this bull market has been followed by massive pump. Do with that information what you will. Yes, you can't say this time it's different, or you could say that yeah, it's a consistent pattern. So let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. They're gonna pull that trick. Maybe you could say that. Yeah. It's good. It's a bullish trend. Okay. Elon Musk says Bitcoin is based on energy because you can use fake fiat currency. You can issue fake fiat currency, and every government in history has done so. But it is impossible to fake energy. Yeah, that's true. True that. All right, money is, this guy's saying, zero hedge. Money is not the problem. AI is new global arms race. And CapEx will eventually be funded by governments, U.S. and China. Okay, if you want to know why gold, silver, and Bitcoin is soaring, it's the debasement to fund AI arms race. I don't know. Maybe you're right. I mean, because what do you think? Elon Musk is building the Colossus 2. What do you think, Elon? Where do you think you got that money? Did you get that? Did you save up and use the money that you already had? No. Don't even lie to people. You printed it, okay? And I'm not hating you for it because it's a system, right? He created, let's see how much. Let's find out how much Colossus 2 is, right? Colossus 2 AI. Let's see here. Colossus 2. Oh, wait, shoot. Colossus 2 is a massive AI data center project, XAI location in Memphis, Tennessee. All right, so how much? $30 billion. Now, cost alone could exceed $30 billion. So where do you think he got that $30 billion? Do you think, oh yeah, you know what? I'm going to use my savings to spend $30 billion? No. No, dog. No. He said, I'm Elon Musk. Print me up 30 billion, please. Thank you. Okay, sure. No problem. Here you go. That's it. That's it. That's it. So basically, when the zero hedge guy said, hey, this is all money printing this is debasement. Yes. All right? You learned something now. Okay, this is, if you zoom out, don't use leverage. Yeah, this is 100% the case. So this is why, buy some sats, man. Doesn't matter. Just keep dollar cost averaging. They won't have those sats. This price, no matter what, whether we reverse here or not, this price will go away forever. Forever. Right? And how do I know that? Well, I bought it $31. Do you want Bitcoin at $31? Well, when I bought it at $31, I suffered for a year under $31. Over a year, actually. It was like, yeah. It really didn't hit, it didn't really hit over, for over a year, under $35. $31. Right? So, can you hold for more than a year with your Bitcoin and see the value increase? More than a year. That's it. That's all you need. Like, let's just say 2 years. Then this price, no matter what, is gone. Forever. 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 You'll never see this price again in 2 years. Never. That's it. This is not happening. That is practically a guarantee. In 2 years, you'll never be able to buy Bitcoin at this price again. Boom. Boom. Keep that in mind when you're deciding if you want to buy some Bitcoin and think, should I wait for the price to go lower? No, dog. No. Oh, gold's RSI hit 91.8. This means an insanely overbought market, making it a cool down likely. Yes, likely, but not absolute, right? Because gold doesn't do this for no reason. Right? It doesn't do that, right? It doesn't go to 91 on the RSI because, well, everybody's just stupid. Okay? It doesn't do that. And it doesn't do that in the face of the Federal Reserve saying, you know what, we gotta manage the price of gold so that, so it helps our currency, right? When they started managing the price a long time ago, when every single ounce of gold that exists is levered 100 to 1 or more. And on top of that, the mainstream media is not going, this is where you buy your gold because gold's going a lot higher. They're debasing the currency. You need to buy gold. This is why you're buying gold, blah, 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 over and over again. Are they doing that? Are they doing that? Oh, no, they're not, are they? Yeah. Let's just see. Gold. Let's just take a look at that. News. do we see like CNN, gold investments, right? CNN, do we see CNN creating how to buy gold? Yeah, okay. Why is gold price soaring? Why? Right? This is their news. Let's see here. Gold price is hitting $4,000 now. CNN Phil Matthews breaks down reasons for okay, and of course nothing. Sud. See, it's not even like crazy news articles saying go. There's no like gold's going to $10,000 or $100,000 or it's going this place, right? None of that. None of that. Zero. Makes you go, So, is it overbought? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Can it go higher? Yes, it can. Okay, Bitcoin is resting the most important trend line since it's resting on the most important trend line since 2022. Formed during the bear market, held through every correction, just tapped again. History says that this is where Bitcoin bounces hardest. Bull run is not over. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Coinbase Premium Index. Let's see here. Yeah, the premiums on Coinbase. Coinbase Bitcoin premium is going up. Institutions are buying. Has started. Okay, so I guess there's a premium price when you buy on what's it called? Coinbase. So that means that they don't have enough Bitcoin for you to go around, which is duh. And the only way they're gonna get it is if they scare enough people out of their positions. And I think this honestly, I'll be honest. What they've done here, this chart here, this is scary. This is absolutely terrifying. Right? And yeah, look who the cat dragged in, Mr. M. So, anyways, Mr. M, why don't you join us, right, to finish off the show? You could help me, morning. And so, basically, let's see here. This chart. Let me just go back to the chart here. So I forgot to switch the profile and stuff like that. But yeah.
Sorry, the thing got dragged. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm dead.
And long as you're still alive, you're still breathing. So you're not that dead.
Not that dead. Half dead.
Because you look pretty good for a dead man.
So I'm still kicking for now.
So as you can see, right, this color coded, right, is actually to indicate the RSI, right? So this is positive when we're in yellow, we're positive. Even though we're going down and we come back up and go on a higher, positive. Come back down, going higher, yellow, positive. Hello, yellow, a new high, okay. Come back down, where's my yellow? We're green.
Okay.
But where's my yellow?
We skipped the yellow completely.
Ooh. That means this is divergence. And if we close down this weekend, this is a confirmed divergence from here to there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, on a weekly.
Dude, I'm supposed to have good news, man. I just finished busting my ass at the gym.
On a weekly.
Got another punch here.
Yeah, let's see if you can find some questions and stuff like that for these guys.
Yeah, you're late, Mr. M. Yeah, I know. I am trying to change my gym time. But sadly, I have to Yeah, I have to figure out a way to do both things, right? But yeah, apologies, guys. I am late indeed.
So you can see this. Ugh.
It's not looking good, right?
Ouch. I don't know, man. I don't know. It doesn't matter. For me, I think you should just hodl Bitcoin. And if you want to learn how to hodl, you just head over to b4b.davincej15.com, right? If you want to trade, just make sure your leverage is no more than 2x or 3x, right? Don't over leverage yourself, right? Or else you're going to get hurt. And you can do so at x.dj15.com. Links are in the description below. Yeah, just get some sats, man. Just buy Bitcoin, right?
Just stack sats, yeah, exactly.
Why gamble with your future, man? Just keep stacking sats. It's really easy. Yes, there's ups and downs, but that's you're never going to get liquidated, right? You're never going to zero.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Exactly. People are asking about waffles.
We'll get to waffles next week.
Next week, perfect. And then loads of good comments in the chat, by the way. What was your biggest moment of doubt about Bitcoin, and what made you hold on?
There was none. The only doubt was the only doubt was, here's the thing, right? When it comes to complex math, right? Which what a hash is, right? It's a very highly complicated math. I don't have the knowledge to understand it, and how am I supposed to know that some sort of idiot savant, they can look at it and go, and then give me the answer, right? And look at it. So we don't know that, right? That was my unknown, right? That was my only unknown. Is I know that hashes, there's no way to go back, right? No way. I know that. But is your mind is saying, is it possible? Is it absolute? It is. I mean, it was hard for me to believe it at the time, but yeah, it is. It's true. It is 100% true. There's no way to go back. Even AI has confirmed it. There's no way to take a hash and go back and get the original data. Why? Because most of it's gone from the hash.
It's not there anymore.
And there's no way to get it back. And with that, right, there's no doubt that Bitcoin is safe.
Yeah,
So,
amen to that. What happens if the divergence closes down in weekly time frame? Is it bad for Bitcoin?
yes, that's a bearish signal, right? It basically says, hey, man, any bounces, you got to sell.
Yeah. It's profit season where
The alt season just went negative, right? Alt season. Do we have the alt season index?
it's got negative.
It's gone. No, it's
boy.
alt. Let's see here. Alt season index.
I had a chat with Matt from the Bitcoin Magazine Pro last night, and
where is it here? Is this one of these here? This one?
yeah, you could probably. Yeah, I think so. I think if you punch "it's altcoin season," you should find it. Try to Google "it's altcoin season." Usually comes up on top. Let's see.
Is it?
Just try that one.
Sure. Oh, there it is.
If you want me to.
Okay, well, it was below. They said it broke below 50%. Okay, so there we go. It was all the way to 80%.
Oh, sorry. I'm
80.
just punching on the.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, because we're not in the right one.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
So it was all the way up to 80, and now it's like 51. So I was a little sleepy this morning, and I didn't hit the right profile.
That's okay.
So
we have an L up there also. There you go. Okay, perfect.
okay.
All right, nice.
So there it is. Yeah.
Those are the two. Okay, perfect. Yeah, BNB season. Yeah, exactly. BNB is going bananas.
I think BNB is backing off right now, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it was doing well.
Exactly. Are we cooked? I love this. Are we cooked?
I don't think we're cooked.
I think getting there, right?
I think we can safely say that the dollar cost averaging looks better and better right now. That's what we can say.
Exactly.
This is dollar cost average.
I was about to say, I uploaded a video last night. It was a long night for me. So I spoke with Matt, the Bitcoin Magazine Pro, and he gave me a huge rundown on a bunch of amazing charts. And he was saying, well, if you measure top to bottom for the past cycles, we're getting close to the average. So technically, the next 7 days, we should top, which means we're either going to cook or we're going to break from...
I think we already talked, dude.
It's a possibility. I mean, I know it sounds crazy, but it's a possibility. Yeah.
Yeah,
I agree.
It's because we should have, like, once we broke the 126, there was so much liquidity. We should have had a liquidity party. And we should have broke all the way to at least 130, but we didn't.
But here's the good news, right? Okay, hear me out. So if we did indeed top at 126, we're not going to go down 70%. No chance.
No, zero.
So then it means we might correct, I don't know, 30%, 40%.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the good news, I guess.
That is the good news, yes. It is the good news. That's the only sunshine and lollipops that's going on. Is that we will correct 70%.
Exactly.
Gee, thanks.
Exactly. Ethereum to 15,000, oof. Yeah, when? 2030? I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look... I mean, according to Benjamin Cowen, apparently Ethereum is going to reclaim 5K. I agree, it could, but when? I don't know when. Definitely not in October. So, I don't know. This cycle is weird. So, I guess we'll have to...
Last question.
I want to buy Bitcoin without KYC. How?
Let's think about that. Let's put our heads together.
If only there was a way.
If only.
Oh, wait, there is.
Yes, Satoshis. Right?
Exactly.
Damn. Right? You go in Solana, buy some T-Sats. There you go. Bitcoin. Right? You can actually transfer it to the Bitcoin network, right? If you follow through, right, you can always you just buy T. If you're looking for like, oh, well, I want a whole Bitcoin, I want it on the Bitcoin network, that's fine. You can go on Ethereum, you buy TBTC without any kind of KYC. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more expensive on the what's it called, Ethereum network, and then you transfer it straight from the Ethereum network to your Bitcoin Bitcoin wallet.
Yeah.
Zero KYC there.
Boom. Nice and easy. Easy like a Sunday morning. I like this. Bitcoin is going higher regardless. Yes, that's it. If you just zoom out and you are patient, you'll be rewarded. Yeah, indeed. Alrighty. Let me know if you see something else.
Alrighty, let's just do one more question and then we'll call it a day. Doing 50K. Okay, Friday. Yes, let's do that. This Friday, you will burn orc. Yes. I was thinking about all kinds of different ways to support the orc network. I could actually, I have enough liquidity, of course, to, put orc against TSAT, right? Right? I can just, because I have Bitcoin, obviously, for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
Right? Just one or two, not much though. Not much. Yeah, because I lost most of mine in boating accident.
Yeah, exactly. We were on the same boat, right?
Exactly,
So
exactly.
it's the same.
Yeah, same accident.
I didn't even had the two. I'm just flat.
Exactly. And so, I got my friends to lend me some and stuff like that. And so yeah, I could possibly do that. Because I was considering that. I was like, well, dog, since you've got I think it was $200,000 worth of orc, you could always pair it with TSATs, right? And do it that way. I mean, that's one option, right?
Yeah.
And then that would help, right? Because you guys get massive liquidity. But I have downside risk, right? Because then I have impermanent loss risk, right? If everybody starts to sell and nobody supports orc, then I would only get orcs. So that's not my TSATs,
Yeah.
right? So that is my issue there, right? And so, yeah, no, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Token Dojo, would you like to join the Block Runner podcast? Yeah, sure. Hit me. I don't know if you're asking me or Da Vinci, probably Da Vinci, but hit me on Twitter. We'll coordinate. Yeah, why not?
Well, yeah, that sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching the Daily Huddle Show. I'm joined here with Mr. M. Make sure, a little bit late.
A little late,
Make
Mr.
sure you
M.
head over to Mr. M's podcast. I mean, it's really easy to find Mr. M's podcast.
Thank you.
Right, and then hit the subscribe there, and make sure you hit the subscribe like here, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Cheers.